मैं डॉक्टर ओपी शर्मा, एसोसिएट प्रोफेसर, SCRS गवर्नमेंट कॉलेज सवाई माधोपुर, BSc पार्ट थर्ड मैथमेटिक्स स्टूडेंट्स को मैं कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर पढ़ा रहा हूँ। उसमें जो आर्टिकल आज करने जा रहे हैं उसमें है टू शो दैट आर्गूमेंट ऑफ Z3 माइनस Z4 ओवर Z1 माइनस Z2 is the angle between the line joining Z4 to Z3 and Z2 to Z1 on the arc plane. Also find the conditions if the two lines are perpendicular or parallel. As given in the figure, let Z1, Z2, Z3, Z4 be the points A, B, C, D respectively on the complex plane, and let P be the point on the intersection of AB and CD. Then vector BA equal to Z1 minus Z2, vector VC equal to Z3 minus Z4. Hence argument of Z3 minus Z4 over Z1 minus Z2 equal to argument of Z3 minus Z4 minus argument of Z1 minus Z2. This is equal to argument of vector DC minus argument of BA vector. This is equal to angles given in figure theta plus alpha minus alpha, which is equal to theta. That is the angle theta which lies between plus pi to minus pi, through which the vector BA is to be rotated to coincide with the direction of the vector DC. Thus, argument of Z3 minus Z4 over Z1 minus Z2 is positive and negative according as the rotation is anti-clockwise or clockwise. In the above figure, this argument is evidently positive. Thus, argument Z3 minus Z4 over Z1 minus Z2 denotes the angle between the lines joining Z4 to Z3 and Z2 to Z1, taken in the proper sense, if vector VA is perpendicular to vector DC. We have argument Z3 minus Z4 over Z1 minus Z2 is equal to plus minus pi by 2, which implies Z3 minus Z4 over Z1 minus Z2 equal to purely imaginary number. In case vector VA coincides with vector DC or is parallel to DC, vector DC, then argument of Z3 minus Z4 over Z1 minus Z2 equal to 0 or pi, which implies Z3 minus Z4 over Z1 minus Z2 is purely real number. Similarly, the second article is to show that if amplitude of Z2 minus Z3 over Z1 minus Z3 equal to amplitude of Z2 minus Z4 over Z1 minus Z4. The points Z3 and Z4 are on the same side of the line joining Z1 and Z2, and that Z1, Z2, Z3, Z4 are concyclic. Let A equal to Z1, B equal to Z2, C equal to Z3 and D is Z4. Then amplitude Z2 minus Z3 over Z1 minus Z3. This is equal to amplitude of vector CB over vector CA. And amplitude of Z2 minus Z4 over Z1 minus Z4 equal to amplitude of vector dB over vector dA. By above article 1, we have amplitude of vector CB over vector CA equal to angle ACB as marked anticlockwise in the figure, and amplitude of vector dB over vector dA. This is equal to angle ADB. Whence angle ACB equal to angle ADB and direction of rotation in both the angle is the same, with the results the point C, D are on the same side of the line AB joining Z1 and Z2. However, if C and D are on the opposite side of AB, the angle ADB is clockwise, whereas angle ACB is anticlockwise, with the result that they cannot be equal. Hence, CD lie on the same side of AB. Since angle ACB and ADB are in the same segment, the 4 points Z1, Z2, Z3, Z4 are concyclic, which is to be proved. Hence, proved. Thank you.